So this next groove is called a 16-beat groove. Reason being, there are 16 notes per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Can't count that, but you get the idea. So, best way to start this off is to start off with the right hand. The right hand is going to do this. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So you notice that the snare is coming on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two. And now for the flashy bit. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that left hand is just coming in between. And then the bass drum, which is on 1 and 3. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E. If you feel like confident with that and comfortable, which might take a few sessions, I'm going to put that in. 4 and 2 and 2 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and fill 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay, thank you very much.